Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of grammar. Myself Kamal Nath, and I am going to teach you clause, that is third clause, adverb clause. This week we are learning chapter 15, that is clause, and in first and second video you already learned about noun clause and adjective clause. Today you will learn about adverb clause. What is clause? That has been explained to you, and let me make it once again phrase. A clause is the part of the sentence which pertains a subject and a verb but doesn't complete a sense. It doesn't has full meaning, complete meaning. Although it has a subject and a verb, but it is depending on the other part of the sentence to make complete sense. That is called clause. And you have already learned what is noun clause, what is adjective clause. Today you are going to learn adverb clause. What is adverb clause? A clause that functions like an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb clause. An adverb clause indicates time, place, condition, contrast, concession, reason, purpose or result. We will learn it one by one how that here really indicate. When it started to rain, I was in the field. When it started to rain, I was in the field. Here, when it started to rain is adverb clause. It is adverb clause. Next one you see, he helped me as much as he could. It is adverb clause of comparison. What is that is? As he could do. As he could do. So that is here, that part is adverb clause of comparison. She didn't go to school as she was suffering from fever. She didn't go to school as she was suffering from fever. In this sentence here, as she was suffering from fever is adverb clause of reason. That's adverb clause and it is adverb clause of reason. If you come to my house, I will go to market. So, if you come to my house, that part of the sentence is adverb clause of condition. A condition is put here. If you come to my house, I will go to market. So, there is a condition. I will go to market only when you come to my market, come to my house. So, if you come to my house is an adverb clause. It's a clause because it has subject and verb both. You is subject, come is verb. But if you separate from this sentence, if you come to my house, it doesn't has complete meaning. So it is depending on the other part of the sentence to complete its meaning. That part is I will go to market. If you come to my house, then what will happen? I will go to market. So this is adverb clause of reason. He kept the bag where you had told. Where you had told. Adverb clause of place. He kept the bag where you had told. So this is here, that part of the sentence is adverb clause and that is adverb clause of place. He spoke so rudely that nobody liked him. He spoke so rudely that nobody liked him. Here, nobody liked him is adverb clause of result. He spoke so rudely. So what was the result of that? Speaking rudely. Nobody liked him. So this is called here adverb clause of result. Student, here as we have studied about different clauses, their forms, Okay, their uses. So here is also forms of adverb clauses. An adverb clause modifies a verb phrase, an adjective or another adverb. You have already learned about adverb. When adverb was taught, you learned what was adverb. Adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb in the sentence. So here you can see it is adverb clause. You are not reading adverb clause. So an adverb clause modifies a verb phrase, an adjective or another adverb in the sentence. He wrote so badly that nobody could read the note. He wrote so badly that nobody could read the note. In this sentence, that nobody could read the note is there what? That is what here? That is an adverb clause. He ran as fast as he could. He ran as fast as he could. Here also you can see as he could. That is adverb clause. That is adverb clause of comparison. An adverb clause starts with a subordinating conjunction. Like after, although, because, if, until, when, since, then and while. These all are subordinating conjunctions. Your house is cleaner than it was last week. So you can see here, than it was last week. Here another sentence is, I will take medicine when I am suggested. So sentence here, when I am suggested, then it was last week. These are adverb clause. I will, since you have requested me, I will stay today. Since you have requested me, I will stay today. Since you have requested me is here adverb clause. Sorry students. Let us see now exercise A. Underline the adverb clause in these sentences. I shall remain where I am. I shall remain where I am. Where I am is adverb clause. Put the notice where the students can read it. You are not as clever as you think. If I have time, I will show you my list of names. Since it is your birthday, you may sit in the front row. She is not so bright as she thinks she is. When we went to the zoo, we saw an African lion. After the sun went down, we retired into our rooms. My assignment was the best because it was based on extensive research. These were what? The exercise. This was exercise. That is what? To underline adverb, and it is based on adverb clause. So underline part is called adverb clause in this exercise. And you learn today adverb clause, its functions, its uses. So please you all note all the important information that will be sent, and you learn them minutely, very nicely. Thank you student. Thank you being the part of video session today.